So this is the bathroom that I'm doing. It's all a bit cluttered at the moment, but I'm doing it next once the ensuite is up and running. So yeah, I'm going to be putting in a strip drain there. It just has a single glass screen here. It all goes there. That's all the plumbing stuff for both bathrooms amongst the washing. I do that splashback as well. And here are the tiles. They came in yesterday. So we're using a 6x6 on the floor. Boy, they like the old Glad wrap. Cling wrap. Woo! So here's our floor tile. Oh, that's nice. Nice colour. Nice. And the wall tile. Let's have a look, see what they chose. Whoop. Get into that. There. Let's see. Both tiles are a good quality. Okay, so it's the floor tile is the same as the wall, but the wall is a 6x6. 6x3, floor is 6x6, so matching tile. That's going to look quite cool. It is a quality porcelain. Can't even see where it's made. Don't know. Okay. So that's cool. All right. I'll get stripping out. We'll see you soon. Stay tuned. I roughly do I average a bathroom a week. Sort of 5 or 6 days. Every 5 or 6 days I do a bathroom. So that's enough tiles for 2 bathrooms. We better get into it. Stop yakking. We'll see ya. Bye.